What are you two doing? Huh? I thought I told you to stay out of those, movie. Whoa. Naughties. You guys having a good time? Trying to drink the water? Sillies? Ah. It's getting a little loud over there, isn't it? Wow. Is that good? Is that good water? Naughties. You can have your fun for a few minutes, because then I'm taking it. You got some water? Huh? Yeah, you're thirsty, huh? You thirsty. Your sister's thirsty, too. You guys are so cute. I can't stand it. No, don't touch that, movie. Oh, you thirsty boy. Oh my goodness, so thirsty. Oh, so thirsty. Say bye.
Say bye-bye. I'm going to drink some water like Bill. I throw it back.